Keyword spotting runs on your device, offline, and costs nothing per hour. Use it to wake the mic before you touch the cloud. Get that order wrong and you pay for silence. This is for engineers building a spoken quiz app in Python. Azure AI Speech offers 3 ways to catch an answer. One of them is quietly being retired this year. I will show which one and the cheaper path around it. Pick your approach on 4 criteria: cost per audio hour, latency, offline capability, and match flexibility. A quiz has short, predictable answers like A, B, or true. You do not need a full natural language model for that. Streaming every second of audio to the cloud burns money. Latency matters when a player expects instant feedback. Standard speech-to-text bills around $1 per audio hour. Keyword spotting on the client bills nothing. So the real choice is what runs local versus remote. Here are the 3 tools. Side by side. Continuous speech-to-text transcribes everything. Billed per hour. Keyword spotting listens locally for one wake phrase. Free and fast. Pattern matching intent recognition maps phrases to answers with 0 training. For a quiz, you rarely pick just one. You gate with keyword spotting. Then match answers with pattern matching. Reserve full transcription for open-ended or free text responses. You build the wake word in Speech Studio's custom keyword tool. It generates a small dot-table model file. Ship that file with your app binary. The Speech SDK loads it and listens on device. Nothing leaves the machine until the keyword fires. Cold trigger latency is roughly 100 milliseconds. Expect occasional false accepts. Tune the sensitivity and pick a distinctive multi-syllable phrase to cut them down. Here is pattern matching intent recognition in Python. You define answers as intents with fixed phrases and entities. No cloud training and no model deployment. It matches locally and returns the intent ID and entities. Now the gotcha I promised. Custom commands. The hosted dialog feature is being retired. Microsoft stopped accepting new custom commands projects. Do not anchor new work to it. For genuine multi-turn dialogue, use Conversational Language Understanding instead. For a simple quiz, pattern matching alone is plenty. Migrating later costs more than choosing right now. Retirement dates shift. So check the current Azure docs. Here is how the pieces wire together. The microphone feeds on-device keyword spotting first. Only after the wake word do you open a cloud stream. Intent matching scores the spoken answer. Your quiz logic tracks the score. Keep that logic stateless where you can. Text-to-speech reads the next question back to the player. Recap the framework. Gate the mic with free on-device keyword spotting. Match short answers with pattern matching intent recognition. Reach for cloud transcription only on open-ended answers. Skip custom commands entirely on new builds. This keeps your quiz fast, cheap, and mostly offline. Subscribe for more Azure architecture breakdowns. If this helped, Do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.